time for Scentsy Sunday. Kind of perfect because I just got in this big box of Scentsy and I'm excited to get into it. So I'm really excited about this item. I got this for my grandson. He has been diagnosed with colic and he's been crying a lot. And this is a weighted and warming Scentsy Buddy. I'm so excited for this one. It is part of our Destinations collection. This one is Trip the Sea Turtle and I cannot wait to see him. So let's open him up. Ooh, he is weighted. Oh, I'm gonna love that too. Oh my gosh. How cute is he? Look at the face on that. Yeah, he's definitely weighted, which a lot of babies really like. And so I'm gonna go ahead and open him up. He comes with a scent pack of your choice, and I chose Starburst Sky because I love this scent. So let's go ahead and open it up. This is a little scent sachet. They say they last 3 months. I think they last longer. I actually never throw these away. I just throw them in my drawers, and it makes my clothes smell amazing. Let's go ahead and put this in Trip. Okay, so he's got a little pouch right here. Just put that in and close them up. Now, if you're gonna put this in the microwave, you need to take that out, okay? And then you can put it back in. So he can definitely go in the microwave. He is super duper cute, and I'm hoping this helps with the baby's colic. The next thing that I got was actually for my daughter to give to her friend. And it is the Disney Stitch Scentsy Charm Clip. So she could put this on one of her bags. She is super into Stitch. She loves Stitch, and this is only available while supplies last. And so I wanted to grab it for her before it goes away. And it's super cute. And he's scented with the Stitch 626 scent, which is phenomenal. It's really cute. I like to put these on bags. You can hang them from your rear view mirror. They're just super duper cute. So I'm going to put this back because that's a gift. The next thing is this big old box of scents. And I am so excited because what is in here is super exciting. Twice a year, Scentsy does something called Bring Back My Bar. And what that is we vote twice a year on bars that we would like to come back that are retired, and they bring them back for a month. So you get to order them, put them in your Scentsy Club, get them forever. And so like if you have a favorite that went away, you can grab it, or you can find new favorites. Scentsy always does such a good job wrapping these for the summer. They come with ice packs, so we got that. Now, these scents, I'm going to go over them with you another time, but there is a bunch. These are basically scents that are no longer available, right? And maybe they were a favorite, maybe they can become a new favorite. And now, starting July 1st to the end of the month, July 31st, these will be available. And if you fall in love with them and you're like, oh my God, I can never live without that scent, you could put it in your Scentsy Club. So as I'm going through these, I already found 2 that were favorites of mine that are actually in this collection. This one right here, I absolutely love. It's Marshmallow Mint. You guys, I love anything with a marshmallow scent. And this one is to die for. I also love Candy Dandy. I love all candy scents. And this one does not disappoint. These 2 will be going in my Scentsy Club. I'm going to make another video reviewing these little at a time so that it's not overwhelming. I'm not going to do the full 25 all at once. But I am so excited because there's a lot of these that I've never smelled before. And I'm going to pick my top 6, and you can go ahead and fill out my sample request form and get samples of them. So be on the lookout for that later today. So I hope you enjoyed my video.